the IDN breaking news. Today in IDN is going heavy wind, extreme weather causing an impact on the IDN's people activities. Today is Tuesday at 20 May 2025. The weather is stable. It is rain and thunderstorm. Now the IDN impacting heavy rain causing landslide and also the tree falling. Now I will switch and give to the first person. It is Kevin. Selamat Kevin. Thank you.
Okay, the rain has not stopped but since yesterday, and this is very big problem.
Now how about the condition? The situation today.
The condition is heavy rain,
Heavy.
and the condition is very bad because there is citizen are worried that the rain will continue maybe until tomorrow or until next week.
Okay. Now how about problems of the IDN? If there is damaging or another trouble?
Yes, there are some problems like bamboo trees falling in there and kitchen all falling kitchen. Yes, there are no problems in here because this heavy rain.
Oh, so that's problems. And if IDN have problems like some such as landslide like that.
Sometimes the line of that, but sometimes not. Yes.
Okay. So that IDN condition IDN condition color now is heavy rains and the weather is extreme, so and causing many troubles in the environment and IDN areas. So now I will back to the moderator, me Abdul Alfani.
Goodbye.
Okay, so that the IDN body controller now change the weather with the heavy rains and extreme weather. So now I'm done in here and I'm start in this station. Now I will back to the operator and IDN body controller breaking news reporting.